A 31 crore company just bid 749 crores in an IPO. That's 24 times their entire net worth. How is this even possible and why should you care? Welcome to day 2 of 100 days of sector snippets. One day before an IPO opens to the public, companies invite anchor investors like mutual funds, insurance companies to invest first. The idea is simple. If big players invest, retail investors like you and me trust the IPO more. And that trust is being misused. So here's what's happening. Some small NBFCs whose main job is to lend money have quietly stopped doing that. Instead, they're making money by becoming anchor investors in IPOs. Take Rajasthan Global Securities. It is an NBFC which has a loan book of 424 crores. But the twist is last year they made a profit of 689 crores. That's more than their entire lending business. How? Because 95% of their income came from IPOs, not lending. Normal NBFCs usually make about 15 to 20% from lending, but this company made 162%, not from lending but gambling. And the craziest example, Windrow Commercial, the 31 crore company which bid 749 crores in the LG Electronics IPO. Their playbook is simple: borrow at 9 to 10%, invest as an anchor, and then sell on listing day for the gains. On an average, IPOs in 2024 gave 58% listing gains. Now, here's why this is important to you. When you see anchor lists, you assume that everybody has done serious research. But these NBFCs, they are not analyzing businesses, but they're only betting on the listing day hype. And interestingly, big NBFCs like Bajaj Finance, Cholamandalam, they are allowed to be anchor investors too. But they don't, because if they told their investors we are going to be gambling instead of lending, they would be destroyed. So remember this, don't blindly trust the anchor investor list. Big mutual funds, that's a good sign. But if the list is filled with small NBFCs you've never heard of, that's your red flag. And secondly, if an NBFC is earning exponentially more from its other income than its core business, that is lending, that's an even bigger red flag.